Welcome to Narrowboat at James Bill. Hope you're well, thanks for joining me. Well, I've got a few things to sort out on the boat today and a bit up north, and then when I get back I'll show you how you can get your hands on a Ecoflow River. Blimey, it's a bit windy today. Right, I need a £100 fuel receipt. Hello mate. Morning. You alright?
Yeah, I've come back to you for the content, didn't I?
Yeah, you do. That's exactly right. That's what it's all about, man. Windy enough for you?
Yeah. Windy enough.
Oh man, I know.
Windy enough.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to need, what's that? If I get myself, I'll see if he's got a spare 13 kilogram thing of gas, that'd be good. But I haven't got an empty bottle, so I might have to see if he's got a shimmy on the bottle. Otherwise, I'm going to have to get myself 5 bags of coal. Is that the best coal, Excel?
It's one of the hottest.
One of the hottest.
Next to
Furnace-site's too hot, some people find. Oh, okay.
Swear by it, they love it.
Because I'm using a coal cage at the moment and I don't seem to be getting anything above 200 degrees.
Okay, alright. And you want higher than that?
Well, yeah.
Higher than that? Or you've got furnace-site, or you've got anthracite beams.
Anthracite beams?
Yeah, so they're little pellets rather than nuggets.
Yeah.
Okay, so you had your normal coal,
Yeah.
and then layer that, and then pour some beans on it, so that anthracite.
Yeah. Add to the heat. Alright, I'll get myself some anthracite beans. Yeah.
Have a go at that.
Yeah.
And they're quite cheap as well. They're actually cheaper than
Well, no, that's the thing. Do I need to spend 100 quid with you guys? Do I need my £100 receipt now? Is that what it's all about? Isn't it?
where did that come from?
I thought you guys had gone that. The government said to get the alternative fuel payment, you need to show a receipt in the last 6 months of £100 for your fuel supplier. It's not been confirmed, no.
And that's only diesel, not coal.
No, I think that's all fuel.
Yeah, I know. We know about it. We're on it.
You're on it? Yeah, of course you are.
Nothing confirmed.
No, it's not confirmed yet. Oh, right, it was all a bit of grey area.
Yeah, is that because Jules Fuel sent that?
No, I saw it on Facebook. And I've read the government page and they've said it's upped it from 100 to 200 for alternative fuel. But they have said it's any fuel. Wood, coal, gas, diesel.
But
Nothing's been confirmed yet. Well, I'm wondering whether should I buy 100 quid from you today or not? I know what you're going to say.
There's no pressure.
No, I know.
Don't feel you're welcome to. You have to spend £100 to get the rebate.
You have to get 100. Yeah, you have to have one receipt of £100
To claim it back.
to claim it. Yeah. But I'm kind of thinking if I'm buying stuff now, I might as well buy it like 100 quid's worth. Yeah, sorry, right.
The thing is, I don't know if they'll backdate it. If they decide to do it, they might backdate it.
I think they said it was within the last 6 months that bill needs to
It's
be.
not that hard to spend £100.
No, I know it's not, is it?
These days anyway.
No.
5 bags of
5 bags of coal and that's done. I know.
chips.
Yeah.
Sorry, my fault. I'll check
You two made a decision yet, or are you still discussing
We're still-
coffee?
No, we're not discussing coffee. We're discussing the government grant, that 100 quid thingy, the 200
Yeah.
quid, and should I spend 100 quid today and get my 100 quid receipt now? So at least then I've got it.
Who knows if it's even going to happen?
Well, I know. It's crap, isn't it?
Don't know where to tie it to it.
Make sure you don't tie it to anything that I built because it will come off.
You got that on video, have you?
Yeah. The shit I built is on video. Now, my next
No,
question.
put it down behind his back. Put it down the veil.
My next question is: do you have any empty 13 kilogram?
You're the second person to ask me this week. No.
Yeah. I saw one floating in the cup on Facebook up in Northampton. If you want to go up there and pick it up.
Probably be godbots I might get there.
Probably. Oh, I'm on a tither. I don't know what to
I'm trying to
do.
get hold of some, but it's not really the time of year. I often get them in summer.
Yeah.
We've got he'd like to try some anthracite beans to put on top of his usual coal.
Yeah.
Partly because the name sounds quite good, anthracite beans. But
Yeah,
also,
it is.
I'm only getting 200 degrees out my stove at the moment on the coal,
Right.
which is a
You've got to
bit.
put a bit of coal in it. Anthracite takes a while to get going.
Yeah.
And then just grab a handful or something, just sprinkle it on the top, and
Okay, cool. Right, let's go for a bit of that.
they come in a nice red bag as well. Look.
And they're only £18 a bag as opposed to our cheapest coal coals.
I mean, look how cosy they are with the picture. You get a pretty
Yeah,
picture
that
of
is. Oh, look at that. That's a nice husband and wife by the fire,
Good bit
and
of
they're reading a book
marketing.
on the magic of a real fire coal price.
Good
Where
bit
do
of
you want it?
marketing.
Let's chuck it all down here, I think.
Right on Emma's head.
Yeah. Or we could wait for Emma to move. It's less fun though, isn't it? Yeah. You could put 5 bags of stuff on top of Emma and then what's the hottest coal you've got?
Furnaceite.
Thermosite. And how much is that a bag?
That's 22.50. One of those. I can't remember.
Jeez.
Yeah, but it's the hottest.
Jeez Louise.
Because
Excel.
it contains anthracite.
Oh right. Anthracite's the thing then, is it?
Anthracite's the thing that gets the hottest.
Right.
However, if you don't want furnaceite, take your Excel and just add your beans to it.
Fine, okay, I'll have XL.
Does that sound like a plan? Because that's only
Okay.
20.50.
Yep.
How
Right.
many?
Let's make it 100 quid. So what's that? 4 bags of XL?
Well,
4 bags would be 82.
And that?
Yeah, there you go.
100. Perfect.
4 Excel.
4 XLs and a bag of beans.
Bag of beans, yeah. And make them change some bowl of beans.
Yeah.
I'll fill beautiful.
Oh, they are, aren't they? Excellent. I shall do.
Try furnaceite next time.
Oh, blimey. Right, money.
Dogs kindling.
No.
You're right, okay.
All right.
Furnaceite's like Excel and anthracite kind of all mixed together.
Sweet. Right.
The one with the beans is you might find a bit too small for some grates.
So make sure you've got a layer of coal.
Yeah,
in it
yeah.
Before you put that in.
Okay.
otherwise you'll just lose it.
I'm using a coal cage at the minute. Sweet. Can you get me a receipt?
I can.
Otherwise, this whole
Otherwise
thing's
it's kind
been
of pointless.
futile.
Approved, thank you.
Took a while. Got me nervous, that is.
It's got you nervous, blimey.
Excuse my handwriting from the cold hands, I'm afraid.
That's all right, mate. Perfect. 100 quid receipt result. Cheers for that.
No problem, have a good day.
You too.
So, did you know it wasn't just diesel, it was all fuel then? I thought it was
Yeah, they said it's all fuel.
As far as I know, it's all fuel, but until we get official word.
No, absolutely, man. But that's what I need.
But see,
Although
you
is that a
got-
little bit? Is that a little bit on the money? 100 quid exactly. Is that? Are they going to believe
But they
this?
might get up to 400 quid.
That just happened to be £100.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So,
I guess that's what it is, isn't it?
That's
what it is.
I'll tell them. I'll put it in the
I just think it could have been better if it was like £101.50 or something.
We did 102.
102.
well, if you want, you can get some firelights. Okay, come down and get it to 102.
I'm alright. I steal coffee stirrers from
That's the
Costa.
cheapest thing I've
That's what I
got.
use. For £3.50 a latte, I'm going to get myself a week's worth of fucking firelighters. That's my rule.
Fair enough.
Right, cheers for that, guys. I'll let you know how I get on with those beans.
Yeah, do.
Yeah. Happy
Yeah,
days.
just bring a couple of handfuls on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you go.
I better do
Oh.
if I can just. No, sorry, I can.
I did,
Yeah.
yeah, the rope's away. Yeah, you can do it underneath that. Yeah.
Oh, the minute I let go, it get gas.
It all goes. I know. Every time Rob and I say should go for a cruise, the wind picks up. Or if I pick your lap, if I reach my windlass, the wind will pick up. Alright, cheers. See you later, guys. See you, mate. Right, I've got to pop up north quickly and see a few people. Some of the old timers on this channel will recognise this place. Bloody dogs. This is John's new boat. He's just showing me around it. It's beautiful in there. Oh, look. It's still open. Let's have a wander around. Look at this. Nice. Yeah, very nice. L-shaped dinette, table. That lowers down into a bed. Lounge area, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, it's really nicely fitted out. Bunk beds. What's in there? Bathroom in here. Look at that. Master berth. And out onto a little well deck. Wow. What a superb boat this is. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, glazed hatches. Oh, yes. Oh, that's a cool idea. What's that? Oh, coffee. Available to hire. Get in touch with North Kilworth Wharf. In all the years I've lived in a house, I've never once had a relationship with my utility provider like I have done living out here on the cut. It's just lovely to know that you're giving your money to such nice people who work so damn hard for their you know, to provide the service, unlike the big utilities company. So this is just lovely. I've got the stove lit. I'm just waiting for it to get up to temperature before I can put those anthracite beans to the test. I've got the nice bed of coals there. It's at about 200 degrees. It was about 250 about 20 minutes ago. Going in with the anthracite beans. That's what they look like. Basically small lumps of coal by the looks of things. Anyway, so kind of put a layer of that down. A few little handfuls of that. You can kind of hear it fizzing. Right. So let's see what happens with the temperature. Right, let's check in and see how these anthracite beans are coming along. What's that, 280 degrees? Yeah, pretty decent. They certainly work. It's great, I've been watching loads of the World Cup this year. Laptop's been on for like hours a day, and also like with even before the World Cup with I'm a Celebrity, it's just been absolutely like hammered. Oh, what a goal! Oh my word! Yeah, so basically this is on for hours, and the Ecoflow River can charge this for or keep that running for about 8 to 10 hours. So it's absolutely amazing. This is your chance to get one. All you need to do is like the video and write the word like in the comment section. So there are two things to do: like the video and write the word like in the comment section, and then you'll be in the draw. The draw will take place on Sunday the 4th of December, noon GMT is the cut-off time, so make sure you've liked the video and written the word like in the comment section before then. And then in Sunday night's video on the same day, the winner will be announced. So, and then Ecoflow Monday morning will ship one of these to anyone anywhere in the world. So that's the plan. Before then though, is obviously the Black Friday sale, and that is your chance to get your hands on a discount on anything within the Ecoflow range. So make sure you check out wherever you go to buy your stuff online, and hopefully the discounts for Black Friday will be on there. So as I said, it's across the range, so check it out. I'm going to continue watching Brazil. Hope you guys are well. Take care. Bye bye.
Catch it so cleanly. That was just fabulous.